The ultimate guide to choosing the right domain name for your website. Choosing the right domain name is crucial for the success of your website. Your domain name is your online identity, and it can impact your search engine ranking, brand identity, and customer perception. In this article, we'll discuss how to choose the right domain name for your website. Make it easy to remember and spell. Your domain name should be easy to remember and spell. Avoid using complex spellings, numbers, or hyphens in your domain name, as they can confuse your visitors. A simple and memorable domain name can help you build brand recognition and increase your website traffic. Choose a relevant domain extension. A domain extension is the last part of your domain name, such as .com, .net, .org, etc. It is important to choose a relevant domain extension that matches your business type and location. For example, if you're running a nonprofit organization, you can use the .org extension. If you're targeting a local audience, you can use a country-specific domain extension, such as US, CA, etc. Keep it short and concise. Short and concise domain names are easy to remember and type. Try to keep your domain name under 15 characters. A shorter domain name can also make it easier for your visitors to share and promote your website on social media. Make it brandable. Your domain name should be brandable and unique. It should reflect your business personality and values. Avoid using generic or common domain names that are similar to your competitors. A unique and brandable domain name can help you stand out from the crowd and increase your brand awareness. Do your research. Before finalizing your domain name, do some research to make sure it's not already taken or trademarked. Use domain name search tools to check if your desired domain name is available. You should also check if there are any trademark issues associated with your domain name.